Are you tired of sending out countless resumes only to hear crickets in response? Do you feel like your career has hit a wall and no matter what you do, you can't seem to land that interview? I'm Dr. Kristy K. Taylor, certified career and executive coach and founder of Work Solutions, LLC. If you're feeling frustrated, you're not alone. The job market is tough and navigating it on your own can feel overwhelming. But here's the good news. We recently launched our Brace for Success Pivot Like a Pro workshop. This self-paced course is designed to help you break through those barriers and finally get the results you've been waiting for. Whether you've been struggling to get noticed by employers or feeling stuck with those tough interview questions, this course provides the strategies and tools you need to make a real impact. As part of this exclusive course, you'll gain access to everything you need to get noticed and advance your career. You'll receive ATS-compliant resume templates designed to make sure your resume gets past the bots and into the hands of hiring managers. Plus, you'll get checklists to guide your job search, virtual interview practice resources to help you perfect your delivery, and proven strategies to build your career brand. You'll also get my ebook, Why You're Not Getting Called Back for Job Interviews: 6 Hidden Reasons and How to Fix Them, which will uncover the key reasons why your job applications may not be getting noticed. Inside this ebook, I'll show you exactly what you can do to fix these issues and start getting callbacks. And the best part? The workshop culminates with a one-on-one 30-minute meeting with me where we'll review and finalize your career branding documents together. This personalized session will ensure that your resume, LinkedIn profile, and cover letter align with your goals, stand out to employers, and showcase your skills and experience in the best possible light. This course is all about making sure you're ready for the competitive job market. You'll not only learn how to create a powerful, tailored resume, but also how to gain the confidence to navigate the toughest interview questions. You'll walk away with actionable tools that will help you immediately boost your career branding and land more interviews. If you've been feeling stuck or discouraged in your job search, now is the time to take action. Don't waste another moment struggling to get noticed. Let me help you pivot your career with clarity, confidence, and the right tools for success. Ready to make the leap and land the job you deserve? The Brace for Success Pivot Like a Pro workshop is here to guide you every step of the way. Enroll today and let's get started. Your future starts now, and I'm here to help you succeed.